Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense. For the week of June 16th, 2015, we are going to look at charts that come from the Trade Navigator software, and we're going to look at a couple markets that are just making me tired. The bond market has been overreacting to almost everything for quite a while now. Stocks are underreacting to everything, and that's one of the things that makes it difficult. After last week, really looked like support should come in this week around 149.16 at this lower moving average, and it still might. For now, they're up, challenging the resistance here, which was 159, well, 151.26. Apologize for that. They're holding it as of now, but we have a two-day Fed meeting, and I think maybe more importantly, we have the Greece situation, which I guess we're supposed to get a statement on Thursday. That may be a much more critical thing that they're dealing with, and once that comes out, they could be back to 149.16 or lower for that matter. Or they could blow all the way up to the upper moving average here at 154.10, and you can see with the previous swing high up here that not out of the question at all that they could do that. Bonds, though, are staying incredibly volatile and, like I said, kind of hyper-reacting to everything. The least little rumor sends them flying, so very difficult to find a low-risk trade in this market. Stocks, on the other hand, everything's low risk and low profit potential. Well, that's an overstatement. But this range you see for the week here, this is basically all Tuesday. They were down to the projected low here is about 2061. They were down to 2062, close enough for the government, right? And they bounced all the way back up to 2090, and the middle moving average here we're looking at is 2092. So, they've kind of done what they're supposed to do so far this week, except they've actually been down here a couple of times before going back up here. So maybe that gives a little more credence to the upside, and maybe that means they're heading up to 2113 here in the upper moving average. Again, what you have here is a situation where they're clearly worried about what the Fed is going to say, which I think is essentially nothing. I think the FOMC is probably a non-event. But every little rumor out of Greece creates a little flurry of activity, especially overnight. And I've heard that we're supposed to get some sort of decision again by Thursday. Now, we've had a previous Thursday where a decision was made and they blew off negotiations, so I don't know why this Thursday is any different, but that's the possibility. And until then, I don't know how you can anticipate anything out of this market, because as you can tell, back here all the way to the middle of the chart you're looking at, this is just one great big sideways pattern where they cannot figure out what to do. And what they're doing in between here is pretty tough, pretty back and forth, sloppy, and awfully hard to make money in there, I'm afraid. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see what we're looking at.